Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So, from today, we'll be starting a new series of lectures on SQL. So, let us dive into it and get started. So, first of all, what is SQL? In simple, the abbreviation of SQL is Structured Query Language. What does that SQL means? And what is the use of SQL? SQL is nothing but a programming language used to get or retrieve the data from a database. You can call it as a domain-specific programming language. So, in general, SQL differs from the regular programming. In SQL, you'll be using a set of commands to retrieve the data from a database. Here, for example, I have used the Oracle database. It may be any other database, you can use SQL commands to retrieve the data. So, the second thing is, in which format we'll be getting the data from the database when we are using SQL commands. Most probably, in most of the cases, you will get the data in the form of tables. As you can see here, column 1, column 2 and column 3. So in this way, in the form of rows and columns, you will be getting or you will be retrieving the data from a database using SQL commands. So there may be a huge amount of data in the database which is unnecessary for you and you require only specific kind of data. So using SQL, you can do that also. So you can display or get only particular amount of information which you required. And also, a database contains a lots of tables where you don't require all the tables and you don't require all the data to come out. So you can select a particular table from which you need the output. So in general, an SQL is used to run queries, that is to get the required output from a huge amount of data. And also using SQL, you can modify the data, that is you can update the data or you can delete the data or you can add new data. And also using SQL commands, you can modify objects, that is you can add a new column or you can add a new row to the existing tables. So this is all about the SQL introduction, and in the upcoming videos we'll go working live on the SQL commands. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you would like it and please don't forget to subscribe.